Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to class 6 chapter 1. It's up to you. Assalamu alaikum students. We have already done the exercise B in previous lecture. Now let's move on to exercise C. Use the following words in sentences of your own. Number 1, spark. He had a spark in his eye. Number 2, dream. I work hard to make my dreams come true. Number 3, friendship. True friendship is a blessing of God. Number 4, sunbeam. Sunbeams are sparking the room. Number 5, conquer. Alexander the Great wanted to conquer the world. Now let's move on to exercise D. What do the following line means? Explain them one by one. Number 1, one bird can herald spring. This means the chirping of one bird can announce that spring season has started. Number 2, one vote can change a nation. This means if people vote good candidates, the destiny of a nation can be changed. Number 3, one step must start a journey. Means to start a journey, we must take one step. It will lead us to our destination. Number 4, one voice can speak with wisdom. Means one correct opinion or voice is a sign of wisdom. Number 5, it's up to you. Means it depends upon you how you get advantage of a small thing. Now let's move on to language structure, present indefinite tense, page number 6. Dear students, you know present indefinite tense or simple present tense is used to express a routine work, general truths and what is actually taking place at the present time. We know that we use the first form of the verb in such sentences and add an s with verb if used for a third person singular number. For example, with he, she, it or noun, we use s or es, while we do not use s or es with I, we, you, they or with plural. Exercise. Choose the correct form of the verb from those in brackets. Number 1, the earth dash round the sun. Options are move, moves and moved. And true or correct option is moves. Why? Because earth is noun and we use s or es with noun. Number 2, our principal dash to us every morning. Options are talk, talks, talking and true option is talks. Why? Because principal is also a noun and we use s or es with noun. Number 3, we dash 5 times a day. Options are pray, praise, praying. Or true option is pray. Why? Because we do not use s or es with we. Number 4, he dash a mill in a big city. Option are has, have is having and true option is has. Number 5, my watch dash good time. Options are keep, keeps is kept and the true option is keeps. Why? Because watch is a noun and we use s or es with noun. Number 6, honey dash sweet and option are is, are, were and true option is. Number 7, the sun dash in the east. Options are rise, rises, rising and the true option is rises. Why? Because the sun is noun and we use s or es with noun. Number 8, if it dash we shall get wet. Options are rain, rains, rained and the true option is rains. Why? Because we use s or es with it. Now let's move on to exercise B of language structure. Change the sentences first into negative and then into interrogative. Okay dear student, remember to do as directed we use do or do not for the first and second person and for the plural third person I, we, you, they etc. For the third person singular number we use does or does not. For example, with he, she, it or noun. First sentence, we pray 5 times daily. Or in negative sentence we use not with helping verb. In negative sentence we do not pray 5 times a day. Or in interrogative sentence we start with helping verb do or place question mark in the end as do we pray 5 times a day question mark. Number 2, Fahmida often astonishes us. In negative sentence we change this sentence, Fahmida often does not astonish us. Or in interrogative sentence, does Fahmida often astonish us question mark. Number 3, they hide under the bed. In negative, they do not hide under the bed. Or in interrogative, do they hide under the bed question mark. Number 4. Lightning strikes. In negative sentence, lightning does not strike. Or in interrogative sentence, does lightning strike? Question mark. Number 5. Children catch butterflies. In negative sentence, children do not catch butterflies. Or in interrogative sentence, we start this sentence with helping verb do. Do children catch butterflies? Or place question mark in the end. Number 6. She hates cruel people. In negative sentence, she does not hate cruel people. Or in interrogative sentence, does she hate the cruel people? Question mark. Next sentence, I go to my aunt's house. In negative sentence, I do not go to my aunt's house. In interrogative sentence, do I go to my aunt's house? Question mark. Last sentence, you do naughty things. In negative sentence, you do not do naughty things. Or in interrogative sentence, do you do naughty things? And place question mark in the end.